Today we have an open house here at the Regional Center for Public Safety Excellence. The purpose is to let the family members of those that are taking classes here with the Police Academy and the Fire Academy, what it is we have to offer here. So we have some of the equipment that they're going to use, that they're going to be trained in. We have some labs that the community can go and use. State-of-the-art equipment that other academies in this area may not have. We are showing them some of the police units that we have. We have our fire truck out. Our fire cadets are out there using the equipment. The Fire Academy is something that we're hoping here in the near future, hopefully by the next semester, to get some PSJA students involved. We're also going to begin offering an emergency management specialist marketable skills award with PSJA.
Queremos un lugar para poder entrenar a los bomberos, a policía, escuela de academia para policías, también los que nombran first responders, que son los volantes y todo lo que viene, para poder entrenarlos todos juntos, una sola manera, bien.
No nomás para la ciudad de Paz, pero imagínense los estudiantes que van a venir ahorita y van a venir otros de Laredo, de Corpus, de esa área, porque es el único entrenamiento a facilidad aquí en South Texas.
En cualquier nivel que lleguen en ese tipo de futuro es muy importante, porque eso es bueno para la familia, bueno para el estudiante y bueno para la comunidad.